Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Virgo placement. So, yeah. General and love reading for the rest of August. So, tingnan natin ano pa bang meron. And, syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again and again and again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items and charms. So, yes. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. Yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet, available ito. No? Oo. Available. Yeah, available to. And kung lalaki ka, gusto mong gumamit nito, this is hindi lang for love, okay? Kundi for money rin. Meron siyang money magnet stone, which is the citrine. Yes, so pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch kung hindi mo siya may susuot. Okay, so yun. And yung ating pangtanggal, MALAS, pangtanggal alat, no? Sa lahat ng aspeto. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter necklace, yung taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay po siya ng surprises weekly at least twice per week. Okay? And yeah, yung atin pong mga sample ng Evil Eye Protection. So, ito sila. Okay. So, lahat ito is unisex po, ha? Okay. So, ito yung dalawang sample. Ito yung pwedeng ipa-customize. Okay. Ito yung adjustable. Ito naman po yung ating garterize. Ganyan yung kanyang pendant. Yung ating ring, adjustable rin. And yung ating Evil Eye Necklace Protection. So, meron siyang blue stone sa kanyang center. As you can see. Yan, okay. So, anyway, again, unisex. And, syempre po, no, yung iba dyan na, tawag dyan, interested sa ating, what do you call this? Grabe yung energy. And, yung energy nyo, Virgo, hindi ko alam bakit ganito. Para kung gulong-gulo. So, ano ba? Yung ating cleansing kit, yung ating cleansing kit. So, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite. So, yun po is mga gamit pang recharge ng mga charms and crystals if you have one. Okay? So, in general, let's see. In general, ano bang meron for our Virgo placements? Hang on. Oo. Nadidistract ako doon. O, diba? May pa-star pa dyan. Si Lucky, o, diba? So, napaglaruan na naman, no? Nilagyan ng star. Cutesy! Okay, so, anong meron for our Virgo placements for the rest of August? So, in general, let's see. In general, what's for our Virgo? The Six of Swords. Okay. So, in general, ito may mga pupuntahan or merong mga, sabihin nating, may mga mangyayaring bago. Okay. Sana bago nga. Pero, yeah, let's see, itong Six of Six of Swords. Yeah. Okay. So, sabihin nating there's this energy of challenge. Okay, a challenge na pwedeng i-grab mo. Okay. So, I think this is new. Kasi hindi naman magiging challenge sa'yo kung parang lagi mo na lang ginagawa. Familiar ka na. So, parang ganun. Okay? So, what else? Some of you, kung merong travel, okay, bago mag-end ang August, mas maganda maging prepared. Kung meron kayong dalang sariling sasakyan, just be prepared. Okay? So, the King of Swords in reverse. What's that? Who is this? Your ex. Okay, your ex. So, anong meron? So, pwedeng detach at cold. Ito iba sa kanila pwedeng nagagalit. Okay, because they miss you. Or maybe they can't connect with you. Yeah. Yeah, they can't connect. Andito yung sitting, waiting, silent. Okay? That is why. So, yung ex mo, kung hindi ka nare-reach out bago mag-end ang August, nandoon yung pwedeng takot sila or galit sila. Pwede kasing wala silang magawa sa situation. Okay? So, yeah, your ex is thinking of you hanggang matapos ang August. So, what else? The Knight of Pentacles. Ang dami nakakakuha ng energy nitong Knight of Pentacles ngayon, no? So, sana hindi tayo maagostuhan. Alam niyo yun, yung phrase na yun, parang naagostuhan, parang umagos, parang ganyan, the pera, parang sana walang ganun, okay? What's with this Knight of Pentacles? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Okay. So, kailangan, ito, sa pamemera po, kailangan, ang nakukuha ko kasi medyo slow or parang walang nangyayari pagdating sa pera, some of you, kailangan nyo magkaroon ng bagong, sabihin nating paraan or plano. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong kailangan ng collaboration or partnership. Yeah, this is, the Ten of Pentacles. This is money. So, yeah, parang kailangan mong umalis, no, sa kung anong nakasanayan, sa kung anong meron, mga ganong bagay. Okay? Iba dito, parang under evaluation. Under evaluation, yeah, pagdating po sa workplace, ini-evaluate ka. Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, the Eight of Wands in reversed. So, there's this something ongoing. Okay? Parang hindi pa, pwedeng hindi ngayong August. Pwedeng mag-start ngayong August. Itong evaluation na nakikita ko. Okay? Pero sa paganda, sa pa-okay. So, there. So, next. The person on your mind. Okay? So, mga, tawag ito, pahapyaw o na mga energies. Let's see. Anong meron? The person on your mind, Virgo. The person on your mind, who is this? The Page of Wands in reversed. Childish. Somebody wanting palagi ng attention, maraming attention, maybe papansin, mga ganyang bagay. What's with that Page of Wands in reversed? The Five of Cups. Ito yung taong parang paawa effect. Alam mo yun? Lagi lang siya may paawa effect. Lagi lang siyang kumukuha ng simpatya. Lagi siyang, andun yung parang pakawawa. Hindi ko alam kung paano, Madalas siyang ganun. Madalas siyang, or maybe, tingin mo sa kanya, kawawa. Lagi siyang kumukuha ng simpatya or awa mula sa iba, mga ganyang bagay, or papansin sa sokmed. That's specific, not for all. Pero ganun yung nakukuha ko sa kanya. Okay? They're like kawawa. Posting sa sokmed ng kung ano-anong mga patama, mga ganong bagay. Mahilig siya sa ganun. Okay? So, ano bang sitwasyon nyo? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon ninyo, Virgo? Ano ba yan? Ba't lagi na lang? Some of you could be dealing with a Leo. Okay, nakita ko yung sun. So, ano bang meron sa situation? Anong kailangan mong malaman? The High Priestess. Okay, so silent. The High Priestess and the Ten of Pentacles. So, ngayon, kung walang nangyayari, walang action, gawin mo itong pagkakataon na to. Yes, sabihin nating pagkakataon. Itong sitwasyon nyo sa ngayon, okay? Kasi nagpapapansin to, meaning to say, parang you're in no contact, no? Some of you, you're in no contact. Kasi, yeah, the High Priestess is here. Strength, see, another Leo placement. So, maybe some of you could be dealing with a Leo. So, sa ngayon, gawin yung opportunity. Okay, itong situation nyo sa ngayon na mag-earn. Earn. Or focus more on your kaperahan. Okay? I don't know, kasi pwedeng kapag kayo is magkasama nito, hindi ka makapag-focus sa pera mo. Yes, hindi ka makapag-focus, hindi mo sabihin nating, I don't know, like nagugulo ka sa mga bagay na mas importante na ginagawa. Parang lagi lang kulang sa atensyon tong taong to. Parang kulang sa atensyon. So, ano bang emosyon ito for you right now, Virgo? The Five of Wands Universe. The Knight of Wands Universe. Gusto na ito makipag-ayos, pero hindi ganun. Hindi niya alam kung paano. Walang direction, walang plano. Okay, the King of Swords Universe. Pwedeng nandun yung takot or galit ng taong to. Sabihin natin, yun nga is isang dahilan is pwedeng hindi mo nga masyado pinapansin and you're focusing more on your finance, some of you. Okay? Pwedeng bulong sa'yo kapag wala yung taong yan, maganda yung pera, maganda yung daloy ng pera sa'yo, aminin mo. So, emosyon niya sa ngayon, iba sa kanila, they want to flirt. Some of them, they're playing the field right now. They are playing the field. Iba sa kanila, they're thinking of you sexually. They miss the yeah, they miss that. They miss the kuchi down there. Yes, show. They miss that. So let's see. What's their next action? Meron ba? Kasi napakatahimik eh. Antahimik. Okay, the Two of Swords Universe. So there's this decision. Decision niya na panoodin ka, i-stalk ka, tingnan ko anong gagawin mo. Okay, pero yeah, this person, gusto niya ng pakikipagbalikan. Yun nga lang, hindi niya alam kung paano sisimulan. Lagi lang itong nag-iisip, nagpaplano kung ano hindi naman nangyayari. Okay, they want to talk. They want to communicate. Some of you pwedeng nag-reach out na sa pamamagitan ng pagpapapansin sa kanyang wall. Or kung ano man na pwedeng marinig mo patungkol sa kanya. Okay, so let's see. What's the outcome? Potential outcome ngayong August, bago mag-end ang August. Let's see. Death in reverse. Oh my gosh. So this is a repeat. Okay. The King of Cups Universe. Dapat hindi na emosyon ang paggaganahin dito. Kung mature na tong connection na to, hindi na mangyayari yung repeat. Okay? Sabihin natin napaka-immature pa rin ang connection na to. The Six of Cups is here in reverse. Maybe the trauma, the issue still there. Okay? Kung magkakabalikan kayo kasi may chance. Hindi pa kayo tapos. May chance na ma-brought up lang. Okay? Yung inyong mga issue. The issue is pwedeng na-swept lang under the rug. So, it's still there. Okay? So, swept lang ng swept under the rug hanggang sa bumukol. Okay? Na magkokos pa ng pagkatalapid. Ha? So, yun na naman. Sisihan na naman yun. Ba't ba ganito? Diyan na naman yan. Ganito, ganyan. Anyway. So, let's go na. So, all signs. Typical na comeback. Typical na love reading. No? Okay, so let's see. Ano bang meron? All signs are true Pisces. For you, Virgo. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our second YouTube channel na Love Letter. So, Aries. Okay, so gusto nilang makipag-ayos. Taurus. Nahihiya siya. Pwedeng nahihiyang makipagayos. Gemini, they have blockages. Some of you, pwedeng i-block ka niya or i-block mo siya. Or sabihin natin, pwedeng i-block nyo na lang ang isa't isa. Or avoid them. You have to avoid this Gemini, I guess. So, Cancer, some of them, they're waiting. Pero nagiging burden na yung paghihintay. Leo, they're sad. They miss you, longing for you, aching for you. Virgo, some of them, they're a juggler. Okay? They're a juggler. I don't know, may nakuha akong energy dito kay Virgo na parang kung wala akong makikita sa'yo na something, then wala ka rin makikita galing sa akin. So, Libra. Okay, so andito yung energy ng passion. I don't know why passion. Pero yun ang narinig ko. This person is sabihin nating, they want commitments. Okay, they want commitments. Scorpio. So, parang nawawala na ng pag-asa si Scorpio. Some of them, naging negative na. So, Sagittarius, they're hiding something. Or maybe they're hiding from you. Or maybe they're avoiding you. Okay, they're tired. Some of them feeling tired, feeling drained dito sa energy ng kung ano man ang connection na meron kayo. So, Capricorn, they're happy. They're feeling content. Aquarius, they're sad. Some of them, may chance na parang feeling nila is na-ignore mo sila. Pisces, they're bitter. They are bitter. Okay, so they're, I don't know kung meron kayong breakup nung Pisces. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel nasa description box below. So again, thank you. Goodbye.